Did you know that not all honey is created equal? That's right. Manuka honey is the superhero of the honey world, boasting incredible health benefits that you definitely don't want to miss out on. So, let's dive right into the top 10 health benefits of Manuka honey and see why you should make it your go-to sweetener. Stick around, because we have a fun fact about Manuka honey at the end that you've probably never heard before. First up, say goodbye to pesky bacteria. Manuka honey is a powerful antibacterial agent, thanks to its unique compound called methylglyoxal. This supercharged honey can help kill off nasty bacteria, keeping infections at bay and helping you stay healthy. Next, let's talk about our gut. Manuka honey is a natural prebiotic, which means it promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in our digestive system. That's right, this honey is on a mission to keep your gut happy and healthy, improving digestion and reducing bloating. But wait, there's more. Manuka honey is also a fantastic immune system booster. It's chock full of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. That means your immune system can keep up the good fight against those pesky germs. Moving on to benefit number 4. Manuka honey is a superstar at soothing sore throats. It coats the throat, providing instant relief, while its antibacterial properties help kick that sore throat to the curb. Now, if you're prone to breakouts or acne, listen up. Manuka honey is anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it an amazing natural remedy for acne-prone skin. Just apply a thin layer to your face, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse it off for clearer, healthier skin. But what about wounds and burns? Well, Manuka honey's got your back there too. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can help speed up the healing process and reduce the risk of infection. Slather on some Manuka honey and let it work its magic. Feeling stressed or anxious? Manuka honey could help. Its natural calming effect can help soothe your nerves and reduce anxiety, making it a sweet way to unwind after a long day. If you've ever struggled with insomnia, you'll be thrilled to know that Manuka honey can help you catch those Z's. Just a spoonful before bed can help your body release melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Sweet dreams. For those who deal with seasonal allergies, Manuka honey could be your new best friend. It's believed that consuming local honey can help build immunity to pollen, reducing allergy symptoms. It's like a sweet, natural antihistamine. Finally, Manuka honey's high nutrient content including vitamins, minerals, and amino acids means it's an energy booster too. Swap out your usual sweetener for Manuka honey and enjoy a more sustained, natural energy boost throughout the day. Now, as promised, here's a fun fact about Manuka honey that most people don't know. Its antibacterial properties are so powerful that it's being used to help treat antibiotic-resistant bacteria. How's that for a sweet superpower? So there you have it. 10 amazing health benefits of Manuka honey that make it an incredible addition to your daily routine. Who knew this sweet nectar could pack such a powerful punch? Be sure to give it a try and experience the magic of Manuka honey for yourself.